If you're looking at how to make a celebrity cash cow channel, which we'll be going in just a few seconds, I want to let you know congratulations, you're in the right place. Watch to the end to see if this niche gets the green light stamp of approval or the red light. Subscribe if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below if you're interested in making money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. So in order to make a celebrity niche channel, I want to start out by showing you guys what a great one looks like so we can draw some inspiration from. Let's switch over to viewer mode and investigate on YouTube. Now we have to think, what would a viewer interested in the celebrity niche look up on YouTube? Now by looking at the search, I'm going to click on one that just catches my attention. I'm just going to go with the first one. As I click on the video, this is just Selena Gomez just on her IG live, and this is just some pictures of her on a red carpet. You know, they're flashing the lights on her trying to take pictures. There's also interview footage. Just make sure that this is copyright free if you do want to include this in your videos. But the great thing about this video is that you don't have to show your own face, and this is just talking about other celebrities and what's going on in their life. Now let's scroll down just to see how the video is performing. As we can see, this video has over 2.2 million views. There's also a decent amount of comments. So the viewers are engaging with the content, and the channel itself has over 5.5 million subscribers. Now let's go check out the channel to see what kind of videos they're producing. Now we can see that this channel is talking about different celebrities within their movies like Dwayne Johnson. They're also engaging in celebrity gossip, as you can see, as someone is destroying someone else's car. And they're just showing content around celebrities' lives. I would love to hear from you guys. Comment down below which is the celebrity that you keep up with the most. Now let's see how their monetization is going. Let's check out how many views this channel is getting and how much money they're making just in ad revenue alone. Now if I go onto this website, I can see the channel statistics. As I scroll down, I can see that there's a large audience interested in the type of videos that this channel produces, as in the past 30 days, this channel has clocked in over 100 million views. Just in ad revenue alone, this channel is making the 6 figures throughout the month, as they're getting close to $500,000. And throughout the year, they're well over the 7-figure mark, as they're making 5.5 million. This tells me that the chances of you going viral are very likely, as there is a large audience interested in this type of content. If you are enjoying this content so far, I would appreciate you guys leaving a thumbs up. Now let's see just how easy these videos are to make. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. Making a video is easier than becoming an overnight celebrity. How'd I do, guys, on my 10-second video? Feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Now it's time to go over, does this niche get the green light stamp of approval or the red light? I would say that the celebrity niche does get the green light. There is a high demand for this type of content, as viewers are always interested in watching celebrities, interested in the gossip, and celebrities and artists are always producing new projects. So you can always come up with new ideas for your content. A bonus is that these videos are easy to make. YouTube automation serves as a great backbone for this niche. Now the videos and the channels that we went over in this video, I would say use them as inspiration, but try not to copy. Be original and creative with how you present your content. This is also just one niche. So in future videos, we're going to go over if other niches get the green light stamp of approval as well. Now let's say this is the niche that you want to do. You now have two options. Option A, you can do this yourself with the possibility of wasting your time, as you're going to try and figure out how to do YouTube correctly. Or you have option B, the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with YouTube automation. If this is something you'd be interested in doing, I highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below for that step-by-step guide. That's it for this video. Watch this video right here, as we're going to be exploring the next niche to see if it is a profitable cash cow channel. Subscribe to Tube Grade if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below, as it is my #1 recommended way to make money with YouTube. Peace out.